Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to Know Max TV. So in this video or part of this course, I'm going to show you how you can be able to make a lot of money by reselling items, either Apple AirPods and also other items. But also today I'm going to be focusing on how can be reselling the Apple AirPods and also be able to generate profit, which is also going to be a big amount of money that you can be making day to day, week to week, and also in various days. You can be proceeding with this, doing this as also for earning passive income, and also turn it into the given job that you want to be doing in a long time. So if you did not subscribe to this channel, must be subscribe today, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Know Max TV. So this is a great business idea that you can be also be doing, and also this can be helping you to be making also money online, which is also going to be very important, interesting, also and profitable to you. So if you also like to be shopping online, also if you know how online shopping works, you can be also be able to turn this idea into an opportunity that you can be pursuing today and also be able to make a lot of money. I encourage you to watch all this video and also to the end, to also that you will be or get understanding of what everything is going to be including here. So this part of the course is also going to be made up of the three main sections. So the first section, which is the video of today, is made up of exploring also how also can be outsourcing the product. So if we're going to be outsourcing the product, which means how we're going to be outsourcing the AirPods that are going to be selling, also how to be also able to check out the amount that we are going to be generating from the AirPod that you're going to be generating from or sourcing from the given platforms, and also going to be seeing which platforms we are going to be sourcing those items. Also, what consideration can we be keeping in mind if you're going to be sourcing those AirPods to be reselling? So in the second part of the video, also shall be talking about how also you can be able to sell these items you have also sourced. So how also selling the sourced items. So after understanding also how to source the items, after understanding where to get these items, these AirPods we are saying in this video, also I'm going to be coming in next video showing you how can be selling these items. Either I'm going to be showing you how you can be selling them, use the affiliate marketing channels, how you're going to be selling them using also your Shopify store, how you can create your own store and be able to sell these items, and also how you can be able to sell them in other ways. The third part of the video also will be about promotion of those items you want to sell. So if you are also selling the items, it is understandable that you want to reach many people so that you can be able to generate those sales that you want to be generating. So I will also recommend you to subscribe to this channel today, also and turn notification bell button so that in the future video you'll be able also to aware of how is it going to be going, because you have to watch this part of the video and also be able to watch the next video to be free understanding of what everything is going to be also being done. So I will be pinning out the link also in the description of this video so that if you come back in the future you can be able to get directed again to the second part of the video that will be also talking about also this how we will be selling the sourced item. So now, without wasting time, let's start with now also sourcing the items. So if you're going to be talking about sourcing the items or the product, which means you're going to be sourcing also those those AirPods you're going to be selling for money. So now to be able to understand first how much money we'll be making by also selling these items. So now I estimated, for example, that the items are going to be selling or to be sourcing is going to be costing, for example, 20 USD. Also maybe we have a discount, we're going to be counting. So you have to consider the discount of that item to be able to earn a profit. So if the discount is 10, so 10 USD, which means now if I am able to get also, suppose that I get now the 100 sales maybe within a month, maybe within also after sometimes I can be also able to get now the profit of 1000 by reselling that item. So which means I don't have any store, but also I'm going to be using these items and be able to make this amount of money. And also this is going to be working if I have maybe the profit of 15, depends on the discount that I'm going to be getting, which means that I'm going to be making 100 also 1000 or 500 USD as a profit that I can be able to make by reselling these items. So now this discount procedure is going to be the one to help us be able to make a lot of money by reselling these items. So now by going into the above this, I'm going to be recommending you to go to Chrome Web Store. So you have to go to Chrome Web Store and install this extension. So now after installing this extension, you're going to be able to discover what product can I be getting on the discount rate. So for example, if you're going to be also finding out the FAT coupon, you're going to be searching the FAT coupon product. If you search for the FAT coupon, this is now the extension which is going to be helping you discover the items which are going to be having the discount, and this will be helping us to be also discovering the discount. So if I open this and also go to extension, you see now I have an extension. I have this FAT coupon which is here, and it's the one that I'm going to be using to be able to track now which is going to be having also the discount that I can be using sourcing to be able to sell. So now let me come here, click on the FAT coupon. After clicking on the FAT coupon, you can see it is going to be opening various sources, and you can see now it is going to be giving me also showing me how much money is the discount for various stores are offering. Amazon 0.2 per click. You can see you're going to be earning this amount. Also, can you see up to 16 cashback? You can see 15 cashback, percentage cashback, 8% cashback, up to, also you can see now you can be getting to various stores that you can be able to source the items. So today let's target now this one of also Walmart and see. So now let me click on this. So now the key is that if you sign in to this account, you want to be to FAT coupon, you're going to be earning also the welcome bonus or the sign up bonus of 10 also USD that you can be able to withdraw. You see I have the points here, but so if I come back here and click on this, it is now in the form of amount which is also 10 USD. Also you can be able to invite some person, and also once the person is invited and approved, also are going to be earning the 10 USD, which means you can be also able to withdraw when you are having 50 USD. You can be able to cash out your money. So you can see if I invite someone here, also I'm going to be earning money. So he's going to be getting 10 USD and also going to be earning 10 if they join, and so they get 10 and also are going to be getting 10. So you see there is a 5 for registering and also 5 for installing this FAT coupon. So what I do now is that also let me go back and also see how I'm gonna be using this to source the items. For example, I'm going to be coming here and go to stores and see what I'm going to be doing here and see if I can be able to earn money. So we got that Walmart is also having the up to 16% cashback. So now it was 0, but now it's this amount. So now let me click on this. Also it is going to be directing me to the also Walmart store so that I can be able to shop also on discount. This means that I don't have to pay amount of money to purchase that item, but also I can use this method to be able to purchase items, to be able to sell these items even though I'm not going to be having the item purchased, but also I can sell them, I can resell them and be able to make amount of money. So if I click through that link, I'm going to be also directed to the Walmart homepage, which I can choose to be deciding which items so I can be continuing with. So what I have to do now is that I'm going to be choosing an example here. Let me type the one I want is also AirPods that I'm gonna be reselling. So I type in this search bar. Now I type AirPods. Yes, I type AirPods. So now you see what I'm going to be searching. If I click enter, I'm going to be getting also the result, which is from AirPods. And as you see, because I also have clicked on that link, which is also from of discount, that means that it is also directed me to the situation where I'm going to be getting the items which are discounted. So what I do now is that you see most of these items are discounted depending on also because I pasted through the coupon, it is going to be also showing me mostly the items which are also discounted. So let me now click on this one. For example, I click on this one, it is also selling 169. So let me now also click on it. If I click on it, I'm going to be saving this amount 46.45 USD, and also I'm going to be purchasing on this amount. What you need to do now is that if you get the item like this, you're going to be taking this item. You don't also have to increase the amount that this item is costing here. What you need to do is that you're going to be making sure that you take this item and also you type the amount you're going to be getting there. So if it is also this amount, which means we're going to be selling on also we're going to be purchasing on this amount if we purchase this, but also we're going to be selling on this amount plus 46, that 46 point, so which means we're going to be selling it to the original price, which is also 169. So 169. So now, which means we're going to be selling it to 169. So now let's suppose that we have the profit of 46 to this one. If I want to be having the USD of 46 to this item, which is also the benefit you're going to be getting here, we did not increase the cost because we also are going to be benefiting only from the discount. Also, what we did is that we ensured that we're going to be selling the item on the same price. We didn't increase the cost, we didn't increase the price. What we did, you are going to be benefiting from the discount. Suppose that you are going to be getting, for example, 10. If you would be getting 10 sales from this one, so it is going to be equal to 460 also USD you're going to be making only on these 10 USD. So what is required here is that after understanding that you can be able to benefit from this one, it is in the same way that we can be coming back here and see any other item that we can see here. Also, because I want to be choosing the AirPods, you can be coming back again here and also be able to see the item which is going to be selling on the same on the discount. For example, this one is the same, this one the same, but also this one, if we count this one, see the benefit you're going to be, or the profit you're going to be making here. We don't have to increase the profit. Here we're going to be getting 74.05. So it is in the same way you're going to be resourcing every AirPod which is costing that amount also, and be able to resell them. Once you resell them, you can be able to make this amount of profit. So this video also was now aiming to show you how you can be able to source the items, but also it is going to be continuing showing you how you can be also able to sell the items. In the next part of this course or this video, we'll be also showing you how you can be selling these items. We'll be also able to use affiliate network programs. Also, we'll be able to use dropshipping methods that will be showing you how you can be using. Maybe you can be selling these to eBay. Also, it is possible that you can sell these items to the eBay as part of dropshipping. We'll also be showing you how you can be using influencer marketing, social medias to be selling these items also and be able to earn money from these items. So now you understand that this business idea can work also, as far as you'll be going to be having the way that you can be able to sell these items and be able to make money. So remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell button so that you don't miss the next part of this video. Also, we have 2 videos remaining. The second one is going to be showing you how to sell the items, also where to sell them, and the third one is going to be showing you also how to promote these items to be able to generate high amount of sales. So thank you for watching this video. So let's hope to meet in the next video, also talking about the free how you can implement this business idea that you can be using to make money online. Like this video, subscribe and share to your friends for also better getting this opportunity to understand more about this business idea.